Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Sports Replay and Movies Combo app on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app using the search bar. Install it if needed. Step 2. Launch downloader and click on the URL field at the center of the interface. Step 3. Enter the downloader code for Sports Replay and Movies Combo and click Go to start downloading. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. The progress bar will indicate when it's complete. Step 5. Once downloaded, the installation prompt will appear automatically. Click Install to begin the installation. Step 6. After installation finishes, click Done. You can delete the APK file to save storage. Step 7. Navigate to your Fire Stick home screen and locate Sports Replay and Movies Combo in your apps list. Step 8. Open the app to access both sports replays for catching up on games you missed and a movie library for entertainment, all in one convenient application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.